Hello and welcome back to Tamara's Garden. In today's video, I'll be covering up about the trending house plants that are loved by every gardener. So these plants are trending and very famous. So let's get into the video and see the number of plants which are trending. So the first plant that I show you is this spider plant. Spider plant is one of the air purifier plants. If I'm to tell you, this is one of the plants that has been recommended by NASA. Very easy to grow from these baby plants. These are the baby reds or the spider reds, and you can hang them. You can put them in any plant of your choice, and even without fertilizer these plants are sure to grow. So this is spider plant, air purifier plant, and also easy plant to grow. Any beginner can grow these plants. So this is one of the plants that are very famous and favorite of every gardener because of the benefits that the plant gives. Because not only this plant make your garden beautiful, but also there are many benefits as a beginner. So this is an air purifier and also such a beautiful decor plant to your home as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Money pothos plant you can grow indoors as an indoor plant. If I am to show you my plant, look at this leggy branches, and also they are so lush and green. So if you are a person who loves keeping indoor plant, this plant really grows well indoors. So this is a trending plant which you can grow outdoors and indoors both. Next trending plants are those pothos plants. Money pothos plants also are very famous and trending because they are easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent, and also fits into any planter you put them. And these plants grow without fertilizer as well. So very easy to grow, very low maintenance, and one of the beginner gardeners friends. So this is a must-have plant and a trending plant, and everybody loves keeping this plant because this is also an air purifier. Next trending plant are these beautiful snake plant varieties. They are also air purification plants, very easy to grow with the stem cuttings or with a single leaf. And this is another variety, Sansevieria. So these plants also are trending. They are very famous among every gardener since they are very easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent, and also this is one of the beginner gardeners can grow. I brought them when I started gardening, and you don't have to water them on regular basis. This lucky bamboo plant I have kept indoors as an indoor plant. So this is one of the trending plants. As a beginner, you can grow them very easily and effortlessly. This is one of the low maintenance and permanent plants. You can either keep them in water or else in soil. Lucky bamboo plants also very easy to grow with single stems, and also you can grow them indoors as an indoor plant. Also you can grow them in water. These plants are low maintenance and permanent, beginner gardeners plant, and one of the easy to grow plant. Even without fertilizer they will grow. So this is another trending house plant. Aloe vera, one of the medicinal plants, must have plants because this is a rooting hormone, and many people don't know the benefits of aloe vera for skin and hair, and some people know. And this is one of the rooting agents too, so you can grow your plants with the aloe vera gel using that. So this is another trending house plant which you must have in your plants collection. Rubber plant also is a very easy to grow plant, and this is also another must-have plant in your plants collection. This is also easy to grow with a stem cutting. Even with a leaf you can grow them, and this is one of the trending plants, very famous and everybody's favorite. Syngonium or arrowhead plants. This is one of the plants that you must have in your garden, very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. And this is also another trending plant. Look at the pink syngonium, and this is the other common syngonium. ZZ plant. This is another beautiful house plant which is trending. And this is a feng shui plant too. It attracts good vibes and a lot of positive energy. So this is a must-have plant in your plants collection. Easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent, and one of the best house plants.